Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn German greetings for beginners. If you are starting German from zero, this video is perfect for you. In the German language, hello is called hello. You can use this word in both formal and informal situations. Repeat after me, hello. When you meet someone in the morning, good morning in German is Guten Morgen. Pronounce it slowly, Guten Morgen. During the daytime or at work, good afternoon in German is Guten Tag. This greeting is very common in Germany. In the evening, good evening in German is Guten Abend. This is a polite and formal greeting. Before going to sleep or saying goodbye at night, good night in German is Gute Nacht. This greeting is used only at night. In German, thank you is Danke. Danke is one of the most common and important words in the German language. In German, please is bitte. Bitte is used when you ask for something politely. It makes your sentence sound respectful and friendly. Now let's learn how to say, how are you, in German. In German, how are you is said as, wie geht es dir? If you want to learn German step by step, subscribe to the channel. We will learn more basic German words in the next video. Danke.